In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install KeyCastr on your Mac. So this is the official website of KeyCastr. You can directly go to google.com and then in the search box, you can type KeyCastr and then you can hit the return key. You'll see this type of link. This is a GitHub link and this is the official website for this site. There is no like domain like .com domain, like something like that. You can download it from here. To access this software, just click here and you will be in this page. Now here you will find a small description what the KeyCastr can do and what you can do with this thing, and there is a small demo how to configure or what are the outlook, something like that, and how it will be actually showing us. And then there is the installation. So there are two ways to install KeyCastr. One is through the zip file and other is by the command line. For command line, we need homebrew to install on our Mac. If you already installed homebrew, then you can use this command. Otherwise, you can click this GitHub link and from here you can download the zip file and you need to extract it, and after that you can double click the DMG file or something like that to install it. But for this video, I'm going to download it from download and install it by using the homebrew. So I'm going to copy this command by clicking here and the whole command will be copied, and then I'm going to minimize this thing. Now let's try to open the terminal on our Mac. I'm going to open the terminal application from here, from the Spotlight search, and then I'm going to increase the size of this terminal and I'm going to paste that command. So once I paste it, we just need to type, we have to hit return key, and very shortly it will start downloading the software. And once the on the software is downloaded and installed successfully, we will get this type of message: KeyCastr was successfully installed. Now what we can do, we can actually quit this thing. We don't need it anymore. Now try to run KeyCastr on our Mac. I'm going to hold command key, spacebar key altogether to bring the Spotlight search, and then I'm going to type KeyCastr here. If we start typing key, we'll see the key related information is there. So these are the application which starts with key. So I'm going to select KeyCastr application from here, and very shortly we'll get this type of notification or warning message. So it is showing like KeyCastr is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I am going to open it. So I have to press the open button. Once I click open button, it is showing like this. But the problem is sometimes it will not work at the beginning because we need to configure some other things. So what we need to do, we need to go the Apple menu and then we have to go system settings, and then here we have to scroll down till we find privacy and security, and then on the right side we'll find different types of options. So we don't need all of them, we just need the input monitoring, this tab, this section. Basically I'm going to click here and very shortly we'll see KeyCastr application is there. So we just need to make it enable so that it will be enabled, and it will ask us to confirm the enable. To confirm, basically it will make enable once I type the password correctly. So I'm going to type the password of my Mac and then I'm going to press the modify settings, and then very shortly it will give us this thing: KeyCastr will not be able to monitor input from your keys until it is quiet and open. So what we need to do, we need to close this application and we need to reopen. I'm going to press this button and very shortly it will be closed and it will be opened again. Now I'm going to close this thing and I'm going to close this, and then I see the KeyCastr application is working properly now. Now here we can change where the KeyCastr application will be shown. It will be shown here or it will be showed here. So we can configure from general section. There is display section, and display section we can actually configure what type of things we want to do. So selected visualizer, we can click here and we can choose this option, something like that. This is small, and if we click here default, it will be expanded like this. Then display mouse event, there are a couple of options. I'm going to use this one with mouse pointer. So here if I click in here, the mouse pointer is working and there is a background. And then display mode, this is command keys only, and all modify keys, apply modifiers. I'm going to use command keys only, and then I'm going to check this box, and font size we can increase or decrease so that whatever, when we press everything, it will be shown here. Now we can also change the color, this thing, and text color, this is the background color, something like that, and then we can close this thing. So once it is done, basically we can actually try to test. So I'm going to hold command key and Z key. For example, I'm going to type randomly, Shift F something like that, and see it's working. And that's it. In this way we can easily install KeyCastr for our Mac computer.